Hi, Giles. Here's your house. Just to let you see, walking forward, you've got some damage all through there to the trees. Look up at the top. They've all broken. There's still the noise of these trees breaking. Oop, Craig's holding on to me. I'm trying to get, not going down these steps, as you can see, but look at the, if you, Craig is propelling me forward. Okay, there's, it looks like that all around. See these big blobs of ice? They just, oh, there's another one broken off the top. It's just on, oh, there's, I don't know if you can see right in there, one broken right in half. The noise, all sorts of broken ones. Here's on the other side of your house. It's, we're standing on pure ice and it's snowing, and my assistant production manager behind me is propelling me.
Can you zoom in on that down tree on the far side?
I don't know if I can zoom in during a video. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah. Okay.